Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to add auto captions on Instagram stories in 2022. So first thing, we have to go to our Instagram story. We go add to your story here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first record my audio. So let's do that. Okay, I recorded my audio. Now I need to go to preview here. Hello everyone, obviously I will mute my camera audio for this, but as you can see, we can go here to the sticker and then we can click on captions, right? And then obviously for this, no captions are found, right? But as you can see, we can see that it works still, even if the audio is muted. As you can see, this is a quick story. Yeah. So that's basically how to add captions. Then you can go next and you can obviously share this to Reels or share this to your story as well. So this is basically how to add auto captions on Instagram stories in 2022, the best possible way and the quickest possible way as well. If this video helped you out, leave a like down below, leave a comment down below, and yeah, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.